Hello everyone. So tonight I'm not gonna do any iRacings. Instead, I'm gonna try to try to install Debian and Ubuntu in virtual machine, and then try to upgrade them. So I will install older version of Debian and Ubuntu, and then I'll try to update them to the later version, upgrade them. So just to see how hard it can be. So I've already downloaded the image ISO files from Debian and Ubuntu.com, and and I'm going to only use Google unless I'm really stuck. I'm not going to use AI for this, but essentially I'm just going to use Ubuntu, use Google to try to do this. So first is the Debian test ISO image. Let me. So as you can see, I have Ubuntu 2004, and then I have the Debian 11. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install Debian here, not unattended attention, virtual hardware. So memory is 2, I'll give them 4 gig and 2 cores, and use EFI, because if I don't use ESI, it's gonna be BIOS, so it's gonna be pretty uh, and 200 gigabytes. I'm not gonna use the full 200 gigabytes, but yeah. And also I'm gonna go do Ubuntu. Ubuntu 2004. Use EFI. Also 4 gigs, 2 core. Okay, so start Debian and start Ubuntu. I know that Ubuntu is pretty easy. I know for a fact that Ubuntu is pretty easy. So it should take much easier than Debian. Debian graphical install. Yeah. And I have this guide upgrades from 11 to 12. That's the bookworm. Yeah, that's the 11 to 12 upgrade path. So we'll see. And we boot into the live USB here. And I'm gonna install Ubuntu. So it's called Debian Test VM. It's called Debian Test. Domain name. Just leave it empty. Should be fine. If I don't, then I'm not gonna set it. I believe if I don't, I won't get that. Yeah. Also here, this should be easy. Minimal installation, yeah. I don't need all those Office software games, all those stuff, just basic. I don't really need a domain name. Oh, full name for the user. I can leave it blank. Username for the account. James password. Okay. Eastern, yeah. So 1 GB of swap, and yeah, that looks good. Okay. Okay, and it's installing as well. So I have two VM running concurrently, so I bet it's not using my SSD that much. Okay. Never mind then. Partially because I'm only using 2 cores. No. Package manager. Yeah, let's just see who installs faster. In fairness, no. Okay, so here is the desktop environment, and the default is standard system utilities. So the default is GNOME standard system utility and the Debian desktop environment. So what I'm going to do is I want to install KDE because that's the most familiar from my side. So I'll do this. But I know Ubuntu is using GNOME, so yeah, I just have to do that. So who's gonna finish first? Oh, this one's done. So Ubuntu is faster. Press enter. Okay. I mean Ubuntu. Ubuntu should be fairly easy. No, no, no. Yeah, and it's done. So what I need is console terminal and add to favorites sudo and sudo apt upgrade. It's gonna ask me for this. So I'll do this, and yeah, it's gonna update a lot of stuff. Oh, the 2204 LTS is asking. Yeah. So Ubuntu installs faster than Debian. That's interesting. And I know for a fact that Ubuntu upgrade is pretty easy because essentially I just type in one command and everything runs itself. Let me Google that. Sudo apt-get install. I thought it's sudo do release upgrade. I thought I just need to use this. One second, let me check ubuntu.com. Oh, Debian is done. Okay. Okay, I'm in Debian. And KDE desktop. Yeah, there's only Dolphin Kate and console. We do need console here. Pin to taskbar. Okay, sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Yeah, if I use sudo, it will ask me this. With great power comes with great responsibility. I know what I'm doing. Oh, nothing is need to read. Okay. And Oh, why is this page so cursed? Yeah, sudo do release upgrade. That's what's using what I should use. Let me reboot just for good measure. Sudo do release upgrade. Yeah, Ubuntu is gonna be easy. The main focus for me for tonight is actually Debian, because I have this huge thing need to read through. So preparing for after backup any data, inform users, prepare for downtime, prepare for the recovery, debug shell running boot, systemd. cat ect Debian version, cat tc 11.11. Okay. Before starting up, you configure apt source list files. Yeah, so all the sources files, we need to change it. Remove book bullseye into bookworm, because this is bookworm. From 11 to 12. From 11 to 12, essentially I need to change bullseye to bookworm. So etc apt source.list. Right, there is the source.list and source.list.d. So do I have nano? I do. Sudo nano I should have nano. No, wrong, wrong. SOURCES. I find out that I'm wrong. Okay, so I need to come here and change. This two is commented, so no problem. But here, I need to change bullseye into bookworm. So bookworm, right? Bookworm. And security, change to bookworm as well. And save, and exit. Then what about this? Is a directory, okay. cd .d. What's in here? Nothing is in here. So I changed the sources.list. Okay, so this is done. In the meantime, let me see. Oh, wait, not this. This. Oh, it's already done? Oh no. Do you want to start the upgrade? Yeah. This should be very straightforward. Adding APD source on a local mirror. I don't think I need this. So I only changed one source file in the Debian, which is the source.list. I want to know. List changes.conf. What's in there? Oh. No, this is nothing. So what about this sources list? Nano dot list, and with this unwritable. Okay, never mind then. So clear sudo apt update. Yeah, it's getting bookworm security release. Security updates available. Sudo apt upgrade. Yes. I want to see. Ubuntu is still running as well. Did I do it correctly? apt full upgrade. Reading change logs. Okay, it's gonna take a while. Especially if I'm using both. Oh. Okay. That's fine. Firefox becomes Snap. I didn't like the fact that it's a Snap package, but whatever. Oh, this is the news. Yeah. Yeah. Press to quit. Reading changelogs done. Oh, and then it's loading. Yeah. Don't ask. Just restart. Because actually right now I don't think Debian upgrade is not that hard. I have a feeling I just changed one source list file, source.list file, and that's it. Maybe if I install more stuff, it will be harder. But because I'm on a bare metal Debian with only KDE desktop environment in there, so it's not that hard. It's not that hard. I say it's not that hard, but I really want to make sure it works and it works properly before I say anything. Oh, so this is done. Can I check if it's done or not? Cat etc Debian version. Let's see. Cat 12.24. Okay. Sudo apt update. Great. Hmm? The following packages have been kept back. Sudo apt auto remove. Yeah, I don't need those. Why those 400 packages have been kept back? Account wizard. I don't know what those packages do. KDE Plasma Desktop. Maybe I need to reboot. Huh? What? I cannot reboot. Computer. Restart. Restart now. So Debian updates faster than Ubuntu. A restart is required. Yeah, I'm all for it. And the window just kept going bigger. Okay, I guess. So 430 packages can be upgraded. The apt upgrade. Yeah. I don't know why. But it doesn't sound good. Security updates available. What? Also, so the this Discover asked me I need to update. What? What? A freeze. Dolphin from 420 to 422. Oh my god. This is so buggy. And I bet you can do this. I just don't understand. Yeah, 400 packages can be upgraded. apt full upgrade. Okay. Sudo apt full upgrade. Yeah. That's probably why. And I'm kind of just still use AI for this. So this one is also done. Sudo do release upgrade, and Ubuntu will ask, oh yeah, it's gonna check. Then 2404. And then also let's do it the same as here. LibreOffice. Okay, it asked me to read the patch note. I just don't. For upgrading place. Reboot did not found. What? Wait a second. How did I leave? It has nothing. What? Yeah, I cannot do this. Oh, not this. Wrong button. Okay. Device. Machine. Reset. Reset. It will reset. Okay. Oh. Oh, this. this is more like it. This is the new KDE that I new version of the KDE that I am familiar with. Terminal emulator termit, and also there's console here. So okay, but reboot not found. What? I don't know. cd tc, right? And what's the I forgot. Oh, apt source.list. Yeah. Mm? Oh, apt. Yeah, so what I need to do is change bookworm into Trixie, and it should work. Is there a release note? Yeah. Trixie. And interestingly, Trixie is also, I don't think I need to uppercase that. See the source list file menu. Permission denied. What? No? Oh, I didn't sudo. Okay. Sudo pt update and sudo apt full upgrade. I'll do it in one go. And I bet here yeah, continue. Here is also continue. How to command to restart. reboot. Sudo systemctl reboot. Okay. Shutdown.h now. Systemctl reboot, systemctl power off. Okay. So systemctl reboot. How many applications I got? There's a lot. Even bare metal Debian that has LibreOffice installed. Okay. Interesting. It still has a lot of packages. It's not as bare metal as I thought it would be. And to be honest, I'm not using the desktop environment like at all because I did everything in a command prompt, in a console, in a terminal, whatever you want to say. Oh, patch news. I'm not gonna read it. Is there a error message? Warning: unable to delete all directory. Directory not empty. Oh. Okay. So there's some leftovers. This is taking longer than last time because I don't know. It might not take longer because last time I ran the two update and upgrade separately, but this time I'm running it concurrently. So it becomes who will win, Ubuntu or Debian. And and if anyone is interested or curious, my uh this PC, right? This PC I'm running on is dual booting with Windows 10 and Bazi, but on my server PC, I'm using Ubuntu, particularly because I don't want to manually go in and change the source file to update for Debian. So I said, okay, then just use Ubuntu one command and everything just does it itself like this, right? So that's my reason, that's my thought process behind it. But now that I update the Debian on the virtual machine, I said it feels it's not that bad. Maybe if I'm using more sources, for example, I'm not just using the apt, if I'm also using the Flatpak and stuff, so maybe that will that will make more work. But yeah, it's not that bad. Creating config file. So Ubuntu has LibreOffice as well? No, it appears not. Yeah, it doesn't really matter that much. OpenJDK. Okay. Debian also has OpenJDK on it. Interesting. How do I check Ubuntu version? LSB release A. So if I open new window, LSB release A. No. LSB under dash. Okay, it's already 2404. Yeah, yeah, because I finished I finished this. What about Debian? Debian is almost done as well. Wow. Sudo system control reboot. Okay, so Debian is faster. Debian is faster. Restart required. Yeah, but it's marginal. It's marginal. Ubuntu needs restart as well, but cat etc Debian version, if I recall correctly, 13.5. Yeah, I'm on Trixie. Sudo update. All packages are up to date. Okay. Trixie security release. Trixie initial release. Yeah. So I'm done. I'm done on this. What about this? LSB A, right? Ubuntu 24.4. Yeah. Sudo apt update. So yeah, Debian. So in short, Debian update is a little bit manual, but it's not that bad. And Ubuntu update is fully automated. Just one command and it does everything by itself. And but Debian update is a little harder, but not that hard. So yeah, I'll give you that. Wait, the command to check Debian version is cat. Oh, cat etc Debian version. BIAN 13.5. Yeah, and the Ubuntu is 24.4. So yeah. Okay, both of them are up to date. And I guess I can do one last thing. Not this. I just want to see. I just want to see. Yeah, it's dangerous to operate cursively on this. No. Oh, something's happening. Can't remove this, can't remove those. Yeah, I just want to see. Can I really nuke the system? Apparently snap. I cannot remove snap. Oh. Okay. Something just fall apart. Keyboard control Leo. Does it work? Soft keyboard. Control Alt F2. Can I do that? Control Alt F3. I cannot even go into a terminal. Yeah. I nuked I nuked my system. Folder creation failed. I thought Ubuntu has this under control. Even at IMIF terminal. No. Yeah. Okay. I nuked my system. Okay, let's do the same on Debian. Just for science, right? Sudo rm rf. Also need to remove the failsafe. I think it's doing stuff. Oh, stuff is broken apart. Some folder can remove, but a lot of things broke, I bet. Is KDE still working? No. Okay. I also messed up Debian. I guess that's expected, to be honest. But console is still working. CD. Yeah, I can still do that. LS command not found. Well, if LS command not found, what can I do? dir command not found. Is it still there? etc is gone. apt apt is gone too. Okay. I bet if I do this, maybe systemctl is gone too. No such file. Oh, sudo is gone. Systemctl is gone as well. Reboot is long gone. No, it's not there either. They clear is no fun. Okay. Okay, I had my fun. So RMRF is still there, still a thing. And if you override the root preserve root, it will do what you say, and it will delete your system. I wonder what's still in my system. I bet console is still in the. I bet console is removed, but it's still in the RAM, so I can still use it. But I don't think anything else I can use it. So if I reset, if I send reset, yeah, there's nothing there. Fail to boot. Debian. Advanced options. C grub command line. Oh, there's no CD. Okay. I just want to know. Remove disk. If I put in Ubuntu, can I? Yeah. I just want to see what else I have left on my virtual machine now that I nuked it. Right? And I want to do this too. I just want to see. Try Ubuntu. So I'm in the live CD environment. And where's the file system? Yeah. Uh, no, that's not. So boot EFI is empty. Dev home. There's still stuff here. There's nothing here. Proc empty. Run empty. System empty. Temp. Yeah, just temporary file. So yeah, I effectively nuked the system to a point I can't even boot because EFI is empty. Low. Okay, so that's Debian. That's Debian updated from 11 to 12 and then to 13. It's not that hard, and then I successfully nuked the system. Power off. And I want to try Ubuntu as well. I want to see what's left. Other locations. Swap file. I bet it's empty too. Yeah, that's why it cannot boot. Device, there's some stuff here, but don't think it's proc is empty. Run has some stuff. Snap. Oh, it has stuff in it, but it's still empty. Okay. System empty. Temp empty. Variables empty. Okay, that's what's left. Okay, that's good to know. And Ubuntu is out as well. So that's that. I guess that's it for everything. Oracle VirtualBox. What happened? Now that I've nuked Debian and Ubuntu, what happened if I nuke Arch? I bet it would die as well. Okay, we're in Arch and console sudo pacman s, I think. SYU. I think that's the command. Oh, there's a lot of packages. Yeah. There's some update because it's been a month since I installed this Arch. So there's gotta be something that needs updating. And I don't need to check version because unlike Debian and Ubuntu, Arch is rolling release. Okay, that's it. So if I do it, yeah, everything update. Sudo pacman. Top grade. Yeah, I don't need top grade. I need is yeah, use no preserved rule to override. Okay. A lot of things I can't remove, but I think a lot of things I am removing. Yeah. Yeah. So what's left? Nothing's left. LS? LS is not. LS is gone. CD is gone. CD is not gone. dir is gone. Reboot is gone. So I nuked Arch Linux as well. Okay. Yeah. Can I shut down? I don't think I can. And then, yeah, some error message. What if I press this? It's not working. Show K runner. All applications. No, there's no applications. There's not even restart or shut down. And this thing is not working as well either. So effectively nuked this as well. Let me reset and see what's left. I just want to see what's left. I bet everything's gone. Mostly everything's gone. What the files? Okay. Yeah, it's empty. What about this? Put empty, dev empty, home empty. Proc empty, run empty, system empty, temp empty. Yeah, so it's nuked. It's nuked. It's gone. Okay, I guess that's it. That's it for this time. That's for this experiment. I installed Debian 11, updated to 12, then updated to 13. I also do the same on Ubuntu. Ubuntu is just a comparison to see how much slower or faster versus each between them, but they're almost the same speed. Debian is a little bit faster. And nuked Arch as well. Low. Yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll remove them because they're effectively gone. And maybe next time I'll do the Fedora because that's the only main distro I haven't done. I know Ubuntu is from Debian, so yeah, the big three. I only have Fedora left, and I want to try it. Okay, that's it for this for this time. Thanks for watching.